Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escape mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on to a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of bluffing the bushes and faking the butterflies. Wake up, yeah, I'm kicking the castle down. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time.
He's going for a troll out the river.
I think it's time to talk.
See? Awesome. Yep. Don't buy this. No, it's got a rose on it. Yeah, that's plastic as well. Don't buy those. Alright, so we decided to go out the harbour. Go try and get some squid, whiting and herring and that. Been a bit quiet inside it. So yeah. Just going now to go find the reef and yeah, see if we can get something. Fish. You just got a wrasse. Logan's on a little fish. Decent. What is it? It's a wrasse. It's a wrasse. Oh, it's a baldy. It's a baby baldy. No way. No way.
That is sick.
Look at that. It's a little baby Baldchin. How sick is that? It's a nice little baldy we got here. All way undersized. We're going to chuck it back. Just pulled up a nice little flatty there. Only a little baby, about 20 centimetres. Not quite a 3 metre. Boys are on here. Both of them. Oh, Scalyfin. What's Logan got? Like a rat. Not a Baldchin. We definitely have a reef. Alright, get back down and get some more. This is very pretty on here. Maori Wrasse. Logan's got a big. Logan's got another one. Another one. What's he got here? Oh, king wrasse. Very nice. Beautiful little fish. Lovely. Logan's on one here. Bring him up. Bring him up. What is he?
Oh, what is it?
Butterfish. Bring him in. Bring him in. Oh, there's a squid right there.
Oh, get the squid! Oh, it's been going the whole time. Go, 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 go. I got it.
Get the net, get the net.
Yeah.
We got a calamari. Boys.
No. Oh, it turned off.
Go, go. Get the net. Got a lovely little squid there.
Let's pew!
Got a lovely little squid. Look at him. Little beautiful. Oh, no, it's just water.
Oh.
Look at him.
No.
Look at him.
Get the collar changing skin on the dog.
He's so beautiful. Lovely little calamari. Alright, what we'll do here, we'll just... Got a big snook after we just got the squid. Look at that.
What the hell?
You beauty. We just got this big pike. Look at him.
Holy shit.
Look at that.
Get that as a...
Yeah, boy.
Holy.
That's a beautiful fish. Alright, we'll put him out of his misery.
Dog.
Where's the knife? We're just out here fishing right now, try and get some more fish. Just getting butterfish and wrasse at the moment. Bit of excitement. We got a snook and a squid in there, so yeah, we're frothing right now. Conquer of a whiting we just caught. Holy! I'll just grab him off. Look at that. Look at that. That is an absolute beauty. Oh, wow. Right, we'll chuck him straight on ice. There he goes. Just gutting that. That'll slow him down. Yeah, just processing this other fish and that whiting should slow right down. Should be good. Logan's on another fish. I think it's a whiting. Oh, red mullet, it's red mullet, it's red mullet. Yeah, we got a red mullet. Oh, that's the one we got away from us. That's a beautiful one. I just dropped one. I just had one on, and he came off. Wait, look at that. Oh, beautiful fish.
Oh, it's hooked.
All right, we're on now, boys. That absolutely beautiful fish. Will's getting a few bites now. Come well. You want to see a on-camera hookup? Nah. Come on, mate. Chester getting bites? You getting bites, Chester? Oh. Got it? Nah. Only butterfish. Don't even worry. Could be whiting. Pulled up a big whiting right then. Oh. We're not getting many, but when we're getting them, they're huge. Look at that. Hold on, I'll just grab him well. I'll just grab him good, so I don't want to lose him. Right there. Look at that. That is an absolutely gorgeous fish. What an absolute beauty. Big one. That's a beautiful fish. Alright, we'll get him on ice and we'll head on in. Yo. Oh, nah. That's Look at that. Look at that. What a way to the end of the day. Beautiful little Skippy. Alright, we on here, boys. We got a great feed. Right, easy. Pew.
We're the last fish of the day with the boys.
Butter.
These little...
This has been the fish of the day. Butter. Right, that's it. Heading back now. Just heading back now.
Yep.
After a good days of fishing, we're going to head back. Going to knock the fillets off the sides of these whiting and these other fish. We've got them all in here. So to do that, I've done a video on a whiting, how to fillet a whiting before. What you want to do first is just get the scales off. So just get the knife and just try and get the scales off. Try and get it off like this so they don't go all over us. Dog's going off in the background. So yeah, so you'll see the colour go different colour once you've got the scales off it, and just make sure you got the scales off all of the sides of them. Just go under the belly, all that, get all that off, under the wing, up onto the head, get all that off, and you'll just feel the knife will just be much smoother once all the scales are off. So there's still some scales there, and once you get those off, just run the knife the other way. And then look how clean that fillet is already. So then now that you've got all your scales off,
what you want to do is you're going to want to knock the sides off, so I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So you just whack the sides of this snooky here. So yeah, we'll just take the bones out of it and then get on to the rest of them.
That was some good filming, I must say.
So now all you've got left is your carcass. You've already taken the guts out, so that's why you got minimal waste. And we'll use that for crab bait or cray bait or something. Put it back into the ecosystem. So that's just what we do. So knock the sides of these other fish and see you in the kitchen. So we've got the next fish here. We got that's the finished product of the snooky. So we'll move on to the Skippy now. So we'll knock the sides off this and yeah. See when we're all done. So we've got the fillets of the fish here. So we've got the snooky, got the whiting fillets, we've got the squid, we've got the wings, we've got the tube, we've got the tentacles, we've got the skippies, and we've got the goatfish. So we're just going to whip up some eggs, some seasoning, some corn flour, and some breadcrumbs, and we'll whip it all together and put it in the pan. Yeah. So what we got here is we've got the bits of the squid, so we've just cut up the tube into rings. So nice little rings like that. We've got the tentacles, which are just chopping up nice and small into little portions about that big, about an inch or two long. And then, so yeah, we'll just have the end there. We got lucky, this one's a big male squid, so we had long tentacles. And then, yeah, all these other ones just chopping a little bit, just to get them nice and small.
Not spill it everywhere.
I'm trying not to. Just got the snook on there now, so we'll just let that cook for a little bit, and then we'll flip her over and give her a taste. The fish looks pretty done now, so we're just gonna whip her on a plate and give it a try. Cook all the other fish. This is the big snooky we caught earlier. So we had one last year at a fishing competition. We caught 2 while trolling for Spanish mackerel somehow. That was off Hillary's, so this should be good. So we've got the finished product right there. We've got the snooky in that.
So we're just cooking up the last lot. This is goatfish. Very nice.
We've got the other fish over here. So give us a camera. So we've got the other fish here. We've got the snooky here. We've got the whiting here. We've got the skippy here, and then we've got the goatfish going on now. So we'll give her a taste test and get back to you. So we've got the squid here. We've got the fish over there. Looking pretty sensational. Logan,
yeah.
How is it, mate?
It's hot, but I feel good.
Good. All right, we'll just chuck fang squid on now. So we just credit salt and pepper, and then we'll just chuck all in there. Squid doesn't take long at all. We just need to spread it out, get some oil in there. Squid in. So yeah, we just whip the squid in there and just let that cook about 30 seconds to a minute on each side, because it just cooks really fast, squid. And then we'll put some salt and pepper on the top of it. And then we'll just chuck that on the plate of the other stuff over here. And we'll get some Kewpie and some shaker. Do you want to put any more pepper on it?
Thumbs off.
Yeah, so we'll just whip this off, chuck it over there, and then we'll alright guys, so we just got the squid on right now, so we'll just let that cook and then bang it on the plate and give it a taste. So yeah. So we've got the final product here. We've got our squid and we've got all our different fish, so we're just going to tuck into this. So cheers for watching, legends, and be sure to make sure to like and subscribe, and if you want us to do more of these videos, let us know down below, and